And just to clarify, GMOs, it's a genetically modified organism, and it's where they take the DNA from a species such as it can be like bacteria, virus, animal, or even from a plant, and they insert it into the DNA of another species to introduce a new trait. I believe it's our future, after all. I mean, if you're going to do something to our food, we should definitely know about it. And we're the ones who might have to live with these consequences. So why not be informed about it?
Should we not be trying these things to help those that are dying, or are you against that too?
Should we be messing with Mother Nature?
Well, what do you say to a child your age that's going to die? What do you say?
It should be, first of all, tested a lot more. I mean, it's only tested by the very companies that stand to gain by their approval. So I really think that we should have independent studies and then mandatory GMO labeling. That's my thing.
They'll also contain oodles and oodles of insect genes and fish genes. Just think of all that extra yummy goodness.
Argentina, cancer rates are 2 to 4 times higher than the national average. And in another province called Chaco, birth defects have quadrupled. But Monsanto denies that health problems in the country are caused by its pesticides.
Well, the autopsies yield a very disturbing result. The pigs who had eaten the GMO crops had a much higher rate of severe stomach inflammation.
But just because tests on rats eating genetically modified potatoes showed them growing slower after 2 or 3 generations and developing fertility problems, and some organ development issues, some goody two-shoes scientists and whiny campaigners worry that that might happen to humans too. Well, let's wait and see.
We would label genetically modified foods, which, by the way, Europe has this. China labels China, which puts
that
lead
bastion of freedom,
and puts lead in baby food, you know, or some shit like that.
At least you know it's there.
Okay, but we can't have that in America. You know why? Because in America, corporations run the show. Even though 9 out of 10 Americans would like foods to at least be labeled to, at least we know they're Frankenfoods.
Why?
Okay, they can't. Why? Because it says it would hurt sales.
No.
So shut up and eat your fucking mutant chili.